dripping gold on my shoulder. Boots by the door, coffee getting colder. Windows down, let the wild air save me. Heartbeat synced with the fir tree canopy. Gravel road humming under my tires. Radio low, but the looms sing higher. Got the pine pitch perfume on my hoodie. Living off grid in a world gone moody. I don't need neon, don't need maybe. Give me a sky that goes in navy. I'm a nature baby. I raised by the river, wind made me. Campfire glow in my daydream haze. Barefoot rhythm in a back row blaze. I'm a nature baby. I wild and free and a little bit wavy. If you can't find me, don't go crazy. I'm out where the tall grass sways me. Out where the tall grass sways me. Lake water mirror with the cloud parade. Skipping flat stones like promises made. Granite cliffs with the slow time view. Every sunset paints something new. Maple leaves clapping soft ovations. Trail mixed thoughts, no reservations. Moonlight spills on a quiet bay. Stars turn night into silver clay. No concrete jungle could ever cage me. Roots run deep, you can't unlace me. I'm a nature baby. Dirt on my hands don't faze me. Thunder rolls and it serenades me. North wind whispers and persuades me. I'm a nature baby. Simple and sweet, call it earthy gravy. Life's more sweet when it's slow and lazy. Under that big sky canopy. Give me spruce tips, salt spray air, black fly buzz, I don't even care. Storm clouds rumble like a baseline drop. Rain on a tin roof, let it never stop.